Mom, why do 84% of users hesitate before uploading their ID online? AgeGO.com claims to have the answer. But is it really as private as they say? Here's the deal. AgeGO.com promises to keep your age-restricted browsing private and hassle-free. No data storage, no sketchy tracking, just a simple yes or no on your age. Sounds like a win, right? Pros? You get multiple ways to verify: selfie, Idaho, credit card, even SMS if you're in the UK. And once you're in, you can access any AgeGo-enabled site with just your email and a one-time password. Plus, it's free for users. But here's the catch. User reviews are rare, like almost unicorn rare. Some folks hit annoying glitches, login fails, camera issues, or verification codes that never arrive. And yes, your info goes through third-party processors, so trust is still part of the game. Bottom line? AgeGO isn't a scam, but it's not flawless. If privacy and smooth access matter to you, weigh the pros and cons, just like you'd check the locks before leaving the house.